So I'm here in Santa Clara, California. In this video today, I'm checking out a spot called Tapsilog Cantina. Tapsilog Cantina is a Filipino restaurant that is also associated or connected with the one I've been to before, Tapsilog Bistro. In this video, the objective is to try something called the Combo 10. And the Combo 10 comes with a fried whole pompano, grilled eggplants, tomato, ensalada, bone marrow broth, nigila soup, and rice. That is the plan for the video today. Let's go ahead and get this video started right now. The Combo 10, right? Yeah, it's like the fried whole pompano. That right? Yeah.
Combo 10, pompano.
I'm gonna do outside.
Do outside? Outside?
Yeah.
Got it.
Huh? YouTube?
Oh, okay. I thought
Yeah.
it was a Filipino channel. No,
Are you the owner?
just the head dishwasher, sir.
Oh man, head dishwasher.
Yeah.
Nice to be here.
Head dishwasher.
Before I get started, we'll try out this seltzer water, blood orange and orange juice.
Here we go. Here we go.
All right, man. Yes, sir.
Here we go.
That's
Look at
the bone marrow soup?
Yes.
Nigala soup?
Nilaga.
Okay. Nilaga. Okay,
Yes.
so pompano. Oh, garlic rice.
garlic rice. Yep.
Uh-huh.
This is the dipping sauce.
Dipping
That's
sauce.
not even our best platter.
It's not even best platter.
Yeah, we have what you call build your own bilao. Basically,
Do you?
you create your own platter.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. So you have your choices of whatever. You
Really? Well, this looks delicious, man. Thank you.
Want. All right. You want some water?
Sure, I'll get some. Thank you very much.
Look at that. Huh?
Yeah. All right, so the food has arrived. Really quick, I know he says he's the head dishwasher, but that's I believe that's the owner. Nice to meet you. Anyways, we have the combo number 10. The pompano, the eggplant portions. So a little bit of shout out. And then this one comes with the garlic rice. Oh yeah, this is the tomato ensalada. And then you have the bone marrow broth, nilaga soup, bone marrow broth. I love the sound of that. And I'm outside of Tapsilog Cantina in Santa Clara. And this is combo number 10. Make that out a little bit. And by the way, I love this basket arrangement that the food comes in. Yeah. Yeah, that is genius presentation wise. Okay, so I do want to try, oh, I do have sauce for the fish as well. So I'll pop those open to get them ready. I believe there's like vinegar. So we are prepared to try this food. I wash my hands, so I'm gonna go with my hands right now into that pompano, the fried pompano. Dude, yes. Let me rip it open. Just get a piece of that. I mean, it's crispy, it's fried. You can eat everything, maybe even the bones in there too. Most of the fish is straight up edible. And I'm gonna give that pompano a bite without any sauce first, without any rice. Well, maybe I'll sprinkle some lime on it at least. All right, now we can go. Fried pompano, bite. Oh yeah, wow. And it is straight up just with the lime, nothing else. Fried to perfection, the crispiness, that natural flavor, aside from the lime, of that pompano. I love it. I love pompano. I love the fried style of this fish. Oh man, that is just yum. Yeah. And there's a whole fish to go. So let's get moving. Oh, there's spinach on here too. I think the next thing we'll do is maybe we'll have it with the garlic rice. So rip off another piece. I mean, this is just a crispy bit right there. Now spin this over. Maybe scoop up some of that garlic rice on here. Yeah, just like that. Pompano and garlic rice. Bite. That combination is king. In Filipino food, that's probably all I need. Just rice and the meat option. In this case, the pompano. let's keep working on this dish. Oh man, so good. Yeah, maybe we'll do a dipping method this time. We'll go ahead and dip it with the vinegar. We'll get this, we'll get the cheek part or this bottom end here. All right, yeah. Yeah, it was, I mean, everything is just edible. Even the fins too, you can eat that. It's just been deep fried to perfection. Dip it in the vinegar. All right, that's good right there. Bite. Oh. Yeah. That vinegar, it really does elevate the flavor out of that fish. Yeah, to the next level. That definitely becomes Filipino right there. Just adding that vinegar. What a yummy dish. We can do a vinegar pour with some fish and some rice. And I'm gonna have to use a spoon. Pour some vinegar on it. Oh yeah. Garlic rice, pompano, dressed in vinegar. Bite. Oh. Yeah, wow. That is fantastic. I love that fish with the vinegar, with the rice. It just brings it together, man. It's so good. Just turn that over. And then you have some eggplant here. Man, look at that. Try it just as is first. Eggplant. Bite. Yeah, that's just naturally pan-fried eggplant. No added ingredients, no seasoning, but just a natural, soft, silky texture of the eggplant with a little bit of skin. Gives it a little bit of elasticity. Moving on here, we got tomatoes, onions. We'll grab a bunch of tomatoes. You know what? This will be good with the pompano. Yeah, nice chunk. Let's do a tomato chase. Bite. Oh wow. Yeah, that tomato really does break down and adds like a refreshing factor. I love the textures of the tomatoes. It was perfect with this fish dish. Try an onion. Oh yeah. I really do like this arrangement of vegetable options. Let's have some spinach. We'll do a vegetable medley. Wrap a piece of fish up with this spinach. Taking pieces off of this fish. Add the tomato. Might as well put an onion on it. Yep. Add the onion. And since we're at it, let's add the eggplant. Let's do it. Let's do that pour of the vinegar. Oh yeah, okay. Bite. Oh, that's a good bite right there. Wow. Okay, as much as I want to keep on working on the fried pompano, we gotta hit up this bone marrow broth, nilaga. That clear bone marrow broth. I'm not sure if I've ever had bone marrow broth. Yeah, I probably had it. The vegetables in here. The cabbage, the string beans, like a bok choy. And then you have a piece of meat in here as well. Slurp it first. Okay, here we go. Slurp. Oh yeah, that's some flavor right there. Warm, comforting, brothy soup. The meat broth, that bone marrow broth. Oh, that is so good, man. All right, let's try it with some vegetables. Here we go. Bite. Just that brothiness and soaking those vegetables with that flavor, that meaty broth is absolutely delicious. But now we gotta try the beef portion here. So let's do it. Bite. Oh, that beef, tender. That is a comforting and really nostalgic Filipino soup dish right there. Add some rice in here. Do it that way and just kind of mix it in that soup. Yeah. All right. We'll chase it with some more of that meat and vegetables. Bite. Oh yeah. The soup and rice, it just pairs well together. That's good. Still going. Just gonna continue working on my food here at Tapsilog Cantina. As he said earlier, and he mentioned it, like their food is like prepared here, like fresh, right when you order it, cook it, at order. That definitely says a lot about the quality about this restaurant. You taste it, it's yummy, it's masarap, Filipino food here in Santa Clara, California. If you want some more Filipino food content, check out a few of my videos. And yeah, that's about it. With that said, enjoy the bite life. Later.